Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2018 model Honda CRV. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and on the left hand side on the CRV there is a small lever that you have to push forward to allow the glove box to come down fully. This is the small lever on the left hand side. You just push it forward to let it release. Once you've released the lever on the left hand side, just squeeze in either side of the glove box and it just allows the stoppers to clear the glove box surround, and you can lower the glove box. Your cabin air filter is located behind this cover, so just push the two small clips in on either side to allow the cover to remove. Your old cabin air filter is in here. Just remove it. Be careful not to allow any leaves or debris to fall into the fan below. This is just the old thin paper filters they put in originally. This is your new cabin air filter installed with the red acrylic base on the bottom. You can see our 3 layers of filtering material as opposed to the standard 1mm material on the original filters. Slide your cabin filter in until it goes all the way in. Reinstall your front cover with the arrow pointing upwards until it clicks. Close your glove box and reinstall the lever on the left hand side. The job's done.